So this came in late last night and I didn't find it on the porch until 3 a.m. because I didn't know it was shipped and delivered yet, so my bad. But this is the December Archer and Olive subscription box. I don't know the name of the theme. I tried not to look at anything. I got this for myself as my Christmas gift from my husband, and he got himself something for himself from me for Christmas. So we already have our Christmas gifts this year. I'm really excited to show you this box. There was some loose products in the box that this was within. And I had to check then, obviously, everything inside to make sure everything was there. I had to go watch Bonnie's video just to be sure I wasn't missing anything. So I have seen these products. This is my favorite box they have ever done. Like, ever done. It is my aesthetic. Every single thing is a 10 out of 10 for me. I am in love with this and I'm going to use every single product. I just know it. So let's just get into it. I want to get this video out as soon as possible, so sorry for the echo and everything, but I just want you to see this so that you can decide to get this box before it's sold out. So let's dive right in and talk about each of these products. So the first thing we have here is what fell out of the box and was loose in the bigger box, which is the set of 5 pencils. These are actually metallic colored pencils. There is a earthy green, there is a deeper green, a purple, it's kind of pink, silver, and blue. So let me show you those. They are really pretty. They are meant to be used, I believe, on dark paper, and I did use them on a very deep green paper, and they worked. They're very pretty, and I'm trying to get them out of the box. So here we are. So there's the purple, the sea green almost, the silver, the blue, and a more earthy leaf green. And I love that everything in this box is black with pops of color. It's everything I've ever wanted. So here's the box, and this is kind of reminiscent of the theme, that black with color on it. And the theme is seemingly woodland creatures mixed with celestial images and a little bit of botanicals. As always, it's Archer and Olive. So yeah, I am all for this theme, and as you can see, it's beautiful. The next thing is gel pens. This is another new pen that Archer and Olive is doing, and I think that's so amazing. I already took them out of the box because I fiddled with the pencils for so long, but you have 2 white gel pens, you have a pink, you have a minty kind of blue-green, you have a blue, and then you have like a green screen green, very neon colored. And yeah, these work amazing. I again did these on dark green paper. I'm going to show you right now what they both look like on dark paper, and I'm sure they'll look even better on black paper. They are so smooth and so bright. So here we have deep green paper from an Archer and Olive notepad, and this is what it looks like. Here is the metallic colored pencils, and as you can see, they are metallic, especially if you hit the light the right way. And then these are the gel pens. I only did one of the white ones, but both of the white ones look like that. So yeah, that is the white, the purple, the teal blue, the true blue, and then the green. Yeah, so very, very beautiful writing utensils. I absolutely love them, and I can't wait for more gel pen colors from them if they decide to do them, because next we have something that could be considered a weapon in some cases. This is a metal stencil, and I believe this is supposed to be like weeklies, so you could do like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so forth, and then like a to-do list. I love this. Super cool, but be careful with it. The corners are kind of sharp. They are rounded, but just, it's a very, very thin metal. Like, it disappears, see that? So be careful. It is pretty sharp. And then we have one of the most beautiful things in this box, a sticky note notepad. It's beautiful. So when you open it up, you have just a huge stack of these bunny and moon and botanical sticky notes. And then you have a bear, a moon, and botanicals. And again, there's a lot of both of these. You won't run out of these very quickly unless you're using them like 3 a day or something. But these are beautiful. The paper is thinner than normal Archer and Olive paper, but that absolutely makes sense for a sticky note. And I love these, and I'm gonna be so sad when I run out. They're so cute, and I absolutely cannot wait to use these in my journals because they're beautiful. Next, we have 2 different sticker sheet designs and 2 sheets for each design. So there are 4 sheets total, 2 different designs. So we have this one with the metallic woodland creatures in the stars with some botanicals, lots of mountain themes, beautiful teals and purples and fuchsia colors, some gold foiling. It's on a black background. Like, shut up. This is just too cute. And then we have goals. They're both smooth matte finish, but this is a goals sheet. So you're supposed to set some goals for yourself, which is very cute for the new year. You have little headers and numbers and prompts and brain dumps, and it's cute, okay? Like, do I have to explain why that's cute? And they're very nice and matte. You could write on those with probably even a pencil. Next, we have this little waxy foil envelope with a cute little stamp sticker. It's a stamped sticker. Inside are these, what they called Dutch door monthly cover pages. I have absolutely no idea how you would insert this easily into a journal. They look like this. There's a calendar at the top, and then a design that's cut out on the side with the month. And the way that these seemed to work is that it's a Dutch door, so you would overlay it on a page and you get to see what was behind it. But I have no idea how you would insert this without just gluing it to a page and cutting the page along this anyways. So I feel like it could have just been stickers, but I guess paper is easier. I don't know. Hopefully they release a video on how they insert these that's kind of easier than what I'm predicting. So yeah, I think they're cute though. That was January. This one is February, March, April, May, and then June. You only get the first 6 months of the year. I assume there will be something similar in later boxes, or you only get 6 months, so that kind of sucks. You know, I wish it was all 12, it's just paper, but it's okay. We probably got some other product, you know, in place of all 12, or they just want you to keep coming back for more. I don't know, but yeah, so super cute. And then the second to last thing, sorry, my cat was laying on it, is the journal. They always include pens and a journal. Well, usually pens and then a journal. So this is the covered design on the box. Very beautiful, once again, as always. And then we have the notebook. This is a blackout book with 40 dot gribbed pages, 160 GSM ultra thick paper as always. Perfect for gel pens and paint. And I love this. It's the big size. This is bigger than the regular A5 journals that they normally do. I do prefer the smaller ones, so kind of bummed on how big it is, but I do love it because it's very pretty. There are gilded gold edges, and wow, there's this adorable bunny with the botanicals. Again, wow, has the strap, the pen holder. It has 2 bookmarks, as always. We have the Archer and Olive symbol bookmark. And then, of course, the giant pocket in the back. So, yep, beautiful. I love their blackout paper. I love their journals. I will use this for something. I currently, Una, this little pocket notebook that's blackout from the last box that we got from them, I am using her as a gratitude journal, a positivity journal is what I'm calling it. I'm writing down every morning something I look forward to that day, and I write down something once a day that I am grateful for or that is just positive. It could be a quote, it could be, you know, I'm grateful for this, or this positive thing happened. And this is to help me kind of be a more positive person, because I tend to be very negative in my thinking. So I am gonna run out of this very quickly since I'm doing it every single day. I could probably only fit like 5 to 10 days on one little page of this. So I'm gonna go through this very quickly if I'm using it correctly. So I have one more of those in craft paper that I'm going to fill up after that. And then maybe I'll use like one giant page per month kind of thing. I can use this as a gratitude journal as well. I don't know, haven't decided yet. I have to think of a name for her as well, because like, stunning, right? Absolutely gorgeous, just breathtaking. I need to decide on a name. Comment a good name for a journal like this. The last product is my absolute favorite, and I am so thrilled that they've included this inside of the box. It is something that I've wanted for a long time and thought that the boxes were kind of missing. So you get a lot of products in the boxes, but nowhere to put them. Look at this honker. This is a journal bag, as they call it. It kind of reminds me of those giant colorful binders that we had as like elementary school kids. I don't know if you remember that. They had like rainbow animals on them and really crazy prints. Something Frank, I think. Anyway, very cool. I love this. It is massive. And there is a handle on the side, a frilly clip-on tassel for the zipper, and there's a giant pocket back here, which is cool. And then you can unzip it. And she's massive, but there is a ribbon bookmark in here, which I think is really nifty. And then we have a pen holder, little loop, just like on the journals. A giant pocket here, which I assume you slide the back cover of your journal into, and then one for the front cover, I assume. We have 4 pen slots. I think these are about the size of an acrylograph. An acrylograph would probably fit in here perfectly. They are very long, and yeah, so you can see like this pencil like barely sticks out. So perfect. And then there's a bigger one right here, which I assume you could put like scissors or something in, a ruler, whatever. It's kind of the size of 2 of these smaller ones. And then a bigger pocket up here that you could probably fit that sticky notepad in. So yeah, this is amazing. I am super happy about this. I love having just one place for all of my stationery that I can carry around for the month. So I have a theme, I pick out some washi tape, I pick out some stickers, I pick out certain colors of pens, and then I put all of that together for throughout the month when I want to do a random spread, either relating to my life or a book or something like that. So it's nice to have it all in one place. I can, if I have to leave the house really quickly, if I want to go to a cafe and journal, if I want to go to a friend's house and journal, I can just put everything in here or keep it in here, and boom, like all I have to take is this and then other necessities that I need without taking up space in my actual bag. I also love that it's so fat that you could put like your main A5 journal in here and maybe a pocket journal. Like I use 2 journals a day, so maybe putting both in here would be, you know, feasible now that it's massive. My only like weird thing about this is that the journal that the box came with doesn't fit. I mean, you could maybe, if you like bent the cover or like stretched out the corners of this, maybe squeeze it in. I tried and I couldn't do it without damaging anything. Yeah, I think it's kind of weird that they got a notebook that doesn't fit in here, but I assume most people have smaller than a B5 notebook. Most people, right? So I do think that's kind of odd, but what are you gonna do about it? It's beautiful. I have no complaints. I generally use smaller ones anyways, and bigger ones you don't tend to take around. You tend to keep them at home. So, you know, whatever. Not a big deal, but if that's a deal breaker for you, do know that that big one does not fit in here. So yeah, that's my favorite product as well in this box. So obviously I'm in love, and I need to name this too at some point. I don't know what yet. Something relating to like, maybe like a menagerie, like something relating to that word. That'd be cute. Anyways, that is the last product. That is everything. This box is now $75 plus shipping and tax. If you already have a subscription, it is $70 still because you were subscribed before the price change. If any of these products seem really good to you, like they would help you, or maybe you're not into journaling yet and this is kind of what you need to push you into it, to give it a trial, whatever it is, this is a really nice complete set. Since you get somewhere to put all your stuff, you get a really nice large journal, but not too many pages. You get all the utensils like pens and pencils and Dutch doors to get yourself set up. If you're scared to jump into journaling, there is no way that that will look ugly if you use any of these things. It's gonna be perfect, and if you wanna get started, this is a great way. I really think these little like box kits are just perfect for getting into it. It's a complete set, everything matches in color and theme. What can go wrong, right? So if you are interested in getting this box, I do have a link below. It is affiliate if you use my link. You don't have to, but I do recommend giving it a try just because I love it. I don't make any money, honestly. Nobody clicks on my link. I just really love them. So I'm trying to encourage people to go towards a mental health, woman-owned business that's just amazing. The products are the highest quality products. I love them. If you've watched any of my past unboxings, you'll know all of their products are such high quality. Now I'm gonna go get all the cat hair off of me because it's making me itchy. But thank you so much for watching this video. Please consider liking and subscribing. I will see you book snakes and stationary nerds next time.